Hello dear student, today in the chapter how many squares, let's do some more exercise from your textbook. Okay, so when you are watching this video, please keep your book with you and also keep a copy pencil so you can do the same activity with me. Okay, thank you. So let's start. Let's take a square. Okay, this is a square. Today we will find out when we cut this square into two half squares, whether their area and their perimeter keep same or any changes there. Okay, so let's see. Let's cut this square into two triangles. We have cut this square into two rectangles with this line. This is one triangle, this is second triangle. Okay. Now let's keep this triangle like this. So this is our old square, and then we cut it from its center and put these two triangles like this. Let's find out whether both area are same or not. Okay, let's find out. So for this we have to take a square sheet. Imagine that this square sheet is 1 square centimeter side. These both sides are 1 centimeter square. So let's see whether area of both shapes are same or not. Clear? So let's see. First put this triangle on this grid. Okay, we put this triangle here. Now let's find, as you know, to find the area using this grid, we have three criteria. We have to count. First one, we will count the number of completed squares. Number of completed squares. It means this triangle has covered how many completed squares. For example, this is a completed square because this is a whole square that is under on this triangle. So this is a completed square. This one, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 squares are completed, covered on this triangle. Then number of half filled squares. How many squares are half filled? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these 6 squares are half filled, and number of more than half filled, there are 0. Okay. Number of more than half filled squares, there are nothing, so it will be 0. Now let's find out the area. So for completed square we take whole numbers, that will be 6, plus for half squares we have to take its half, that means 6 divided by 2, or we can say 6 plus what will be the half of 6 by 2, because these are half filled squares. And you know, two half triangles or two halves make one full. दो हाफ मिलकर एक फुल बनाएंगे, है ना, पूरा करेंगे. तो ये जो जितने भी हाफ स्क्वायर्स हैं, तो इसको हम जब यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे तो इस हाफ स्क्वायर जितने भी कवर्ड हैं उसका हाफ लेंगे. 6 by 2 means 3. So its area is 9 square centimeter. Okay, so the area of this triangle is 9 square centimeter. Now let's find out the area of this shape. Before putting this, let's erase this one. Okay, so its area is 9 square centimeter, and now let's keep the square into that grid. Okay, now I put this square on the grid. Now let's count how many completed squares are there. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9, and none of half filled squares are there, and none of more than half filled squares are there. So total area of this square is 9 square centimeter. Clear? So the area of this square is also 9 square. So by this activity we can see the area of both shapes are equal. But now whether their perimeters are same or not. Okay, here we see both areas are same. Now let's find out the area of this tiger palm. ये जो टाइगर का पंजा है ना, क्लॉ, उसका एरिया कितना आता है. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. सो टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी यू कैन सी देयर आर ए लॉट ऑफ स्क्वायर्स कवर्ड हियर. बहुत सारे स्क्वायर यहाँ पे कवर्ड हैं. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको, इस काम को इजी बनाने के लिए वी कैन मेक सम स्मॉल स्क्वायर्स. करेक्ट. Let's make a small squares like from here. Look at this. Now this is a rectangle. Like this, this is also a rectangle. And for this rectangle, we can easily find out how many squares has covered under this rectangle. So find out. In this row there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and total number of rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 7 9s are 63. So there are 63 under this square. Now outside of this rectangle, how many completed squares are there? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is not full square, so we will leave that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18, now here 19, 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. So there are total here 35s, and in these shapes, these claws, how many full squares are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. How many? 23. So these are the total completed squares. Let's count how many total completed squares are here. 3 and 5, 8, 8 and 3, 11. So that is 11. 1 carry on. 1 plus 6, 7, plus 3, 10 and 2, 12. So total there are 121 completed squares. Correct. There are total 121 completed squares. Now let's count the half filled squares. To count half filled squares, let's count more than half filled squares. Then we will count the half filled squares. Then how many more than half filled squares are there? Let's find out. Okay. So which are first? Let's mark this half filled, more than half filled. 1. This is more than half, more than half. These shapes are more than half. And also this is more than half. Okay. Then next one in this shape. 1, 2. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 more than half filled squares. Now in this shape 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5s are more than half filled. And next shapes, how many more than half filled? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, these are more than half filled. 8. Now in next shape, how many more than half filled? 1, then 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4. And in this big claw, how many more than half? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, total here 15. Then 16, 17, 18, 19, and this is also more than half, 20, 21. Correct? So there are total 21 more than half squares. Now let's count the total number. Add this. 7 plus 5, 12 and 8, 20 and 4, 24. 24 plus 21, that will be 45. So let's write here more than half filled, 45. Now at last let's count the half filled squares. How many half filled squares are there? So this is half filled, 1. In this shape, this one 2, 2, then this is 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. These are less than 8, 8. So there are total 8. 8 half squares. Okay, total 8 half squares. Excuse me, sorry, we have forget to mark some more than half, and that are this one and this one. These two are also more than half covered. So again there are 2 more. So this will be 47. This will be okay, 47. Now what will be the area? Let's 121 plus half of it, that will be 4 plus 47. Now add all these 3. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 and 1, 12, and we have 1 carry, 4 to 6 and 1, 7 and 1. 172 square centimeter. This is the area of this tiger claw. Correct? So in this way you can find out the area of any claw. Now let's find out the area of these shapes. This is given in your book, page number 40. First let's find out the area of this shape A. Before finding the area, let's complete these lines. So we can easily count the completed squares, more than half squares and half square. First let's complete these lines. Okay, now let's find out the different types of squares. First one, completed squares. So in this shape there are 1, 2 and 3. There are total 3 completed squares. 3. And half squares, when you observe this shape there are no half squares. And more than half filled, 1, 2 and 3. More than half filled, there are 3. So total area of this shape will be 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So area of this shape is 6 square centimeter. Like this, we can also find out the area of shape B. Again, we have to complete this line. Say, if we can do without completing this line, that is also very good, but it will be better if we complete these lines. Now let's find out the number of different types of different squares. First one, completed squares. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 completed squares. Then how many half squares are half filled squares are there? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are total 8 half filled squares, and rest are left. There are no more half filled squares, so this is only like this. Okay. Now let's find out the area of this shape. So this will be 4 plus. This is half filled square. This is the number of half filled square. So we will take it's a half. Half filled 8 half filled square equal to 4 completed square. So the area of shape B will be 4 plus 4 equal to 8 square centimeter. Okay? Okay. So like this, please find out the area of other shapes also, C, D, E and F. You have to do this exercise just like this. Okay. Make a table and write this their number of completed square, number of half filled square, number of more than half filled squares. Then write the name of shapes here, shape A, B. Then in each column you can fill out the different numbers of square, completed, half filled and more than half filled. Then at below you can find out the area of each shapes. Okay. Clear. So in this way you can find the area. Let's see another picture. Look at, here are two different shapes. Okay. One blue triangle and one red triangle. Whether both area are same or not, let's find out. Whether area of both shapes are equal or not, let's find out. So first find out the area of blue shapes. आपको भी इस तरह से बॉक्स बनाना है और हर शेप का, इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में जो अलग अलग था पेज नंबर 40 का, उसके लिए इस तरह से आप शेप बना लीजिएगा. उसमें नंबर ऑफ कंप्लीटेड स्क्वायर, हाफ फील्ड स्क्वायर्स, मोर देन हाफ फील्ड ये लिख लेंगे. और यहाँ पे जैसे मैं ट्राइंगल का नाम लिखा हूँ ब्लू रेड, यहाँ पे आप शेप का नाम लिख सकते हैं ए बी सी डी लाइक दिस, है ना. तो पहले हम इसका एरिया निकालते हैं. ठीक है, इन दोनों शेप्स का यहाँ पर एरिया निकालते हैं. तो सबसे पहले ब्लू, हाउ मेनी कंप्लीटेड स्क्वायर्स आर देयर इनटू ब्लू. सो दिस इज फुल स्क्वायर्स 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. There are 6 completed squares. In blue there are 6 completed squares. Correct. Then half filled squares, how many half filled squares are there? How many half filled squares are there? So there is none half filled squares. and more than half filled 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4. We are counting the blue rectangle, not the red, correct? So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 more than half square. So area of this shape will be 6 plus 4, 10 units, 10 square centimeter. Now let's check the red. Before checking the red, we have to erase these marking. So let's count how many different types of squares falling under red squares. First, completed squares. So which are completed squares in this shape? This is the first one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 completed squares. And half filled squares. Is there any half filled squares? No, there are no half filled squares. Then again here this will be 0, and more than half filled squares are 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 half filled squares. Now find out the area. 5 plus 5, that will be 10 square centimeter. So when we compare both this triangle, we find out that the area of blue triangle and red triangle, both area are equal, correct? Both area are equal. So we can say both triangles are same size, correct? Both area are of same size. Clear? Okay. So in this way you can also find out the area of different irregular shapes. And you have to do one activity. What we have to do? Just you have to put your palm on this type of grid and then mark it. Okay. Oh, sorry. आपको क्या करना है? अपने हथेली को इस तरह से ग्रिड के ऊपर में रखना है, अपने पाम को इस ग्रिड के ऊपर इस तरह से रखना है एंड देन मार्क इट्स आउटलाइन, है ना? इस तरह से अपने हाथों को रख कर आउटलाइन को मार्किंग कीजिए। इस तरह से आपका ये छोटा हो गया है, कोई बात नहीं। तो इस तरह से मार्क योर पाम, अपने हथेली को रख के इस तरह से मार्किंग कीजिए पूरी तरह से। देन फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ योर पाम, अपने हथेली का यहाँ से एरिया निकालिएगा, ठीक है? और इस तरह से टेबल बना के उसमें फिल कीजिएगा नंबर ऑफ कंप्लीटेड स्क्वायर्स, नंबर ऑफ हाफ फिल्ड स्क्वायर्स एंड नंबर ऑफ मोर देन हाफ फिल्ड स्क्वायर्स। देन फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ दैट शेप, ठीक है? इस तरह से आपको अपने पाम का एरिया निकालना है। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर टुडे।